Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can take a burst shot or multiple shots in camera on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, open up the camera app and tap on the photo tab at the bottom. Now when you are ready to take a photo and when you want to take a burst shot, you can tap and hold on the shutter button and swipe to the left. So here you can see I can now take the burst shot, and within this burst shot I can go in and select which shots that I want to use. So here you can see I can swipe across and then select the best shot that I want to keep, so this one right here, and then tap on done, and then I can choose keep everything or keep only one favorite and remove the rest. And that is how you can take a burst shot. Now another way to take a burst shot is to use the volume up key. In order for you to do that, you need to go into settings. In settings, swipe up to go down and tap on camera. And in here, we're going to go down. And then we're going to set the burst shot to the volume key. So I'm just going to need to find that key. So here it says use volume up for burst. So make sure it is turned on. Once it is turned on, open up your camera and you can press on the volume up key, press and hold. And that will allow you to take a burst shot as well. And those are the two different ways how you can take burst shot in camera on the iPhone 14 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.